60. The future. All of us are at one time or another very curious or anxious about the future. What will the future bring us? So many things our hearts are set on seem to fail or never come to pass. We look around and see so much frustration and failure, troubles arising on all hands, the world apparently falling apart, and at times our hearts falter and we are troubled at what the future may bring. "I know what the future will bring," someone said to me recently. "I shall get older, have more aches and pains, more disappointments, and finally death." Is that really all? St. Paul declares in Romans 8:28, "And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are the called according to his purpose." This means that, while we can undergo many difficulties, we cannot lose, because God makes all things add up to good for us, in time and in eternity. This is true because God is absolute Lord and sovereign over all things. Quote, "And all the inhabitants of the earth are reputed as nothing, and he doeth according to his will in the army of heaven and among the inhabitants of the earth, and none can stay his hand or say unto him, What doest thou?" Daniel 4:35. What must I then say in the face of all things? I must recognize certainly that I do not know what today and tomorrow shall bring. Much that may come will distress and trouble me. Even more, there is no doubt much in the future that will bring me grief. I dare not stop here. I must at all times recognize that, while I do not know what the future will bring, I do know who is bringing it. It is the Lord. I must remember that he has already done the most difficult of all things for me. He gave his only begotten Son, Jesus Christ, as my atonement on the cross. He who has done so much for me will do yet more and care for me. For this reason, St. Peter, who suffered far more than we are ever likely to, spoke of, quote, "Casting all your care upon him, for he careth for you." 1 Peter 5:7. Peace be with you, all that are in Christ Jesus. 1 Peter 5:14.